Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a short video and I will be showing you all my vacuums, so yeah. And I'm going to show you the can store. So this one has quite good in there, has a lot of dust in it. And this one has a lot. And this one, not really much, but it's still a good vacuum. And this one has a lot. And yeah, so all these vacuums look pretty good. This one's not too loud, it's just hard push. It's really hard push. And yeah, so there's no, well, you can't really see, but there's no screw in there properly, but it's still a good vacuum, so yeah. And this one is a lot quieter, and this one, so this one is a lot quieter, and it's really hard push. It feels so, but these two are still good vacuums, so yeah. So this one is pretty quiet too. This one's not too loud, kind of loud, but it's not too loud. Yeah, this one's not too loud, but it's still a good vacuum. And this one's not too, that one's, well yeah, this one's not too hard push. Yeah. Yeah, the Gold Devil was not too hard push, but this one's pretty easy push, so yeah. This one's a lot easier push, so yeah. This one's quiet too, and yeah, so yeah. And all these vacuums are really light. Well, actually, this one is pretty heavy. This one's a lot, well, this was like 25 pounds. This was only like 3 pounds. This was more like 17 pounds. This was about 10 pounds. So it's, well, yeah. The Stark is heavy, the Black Decker is not too heavy, it's light. The Gold Devil is heavy, the Pistol is a lot lighter, and yeah. So that was like my video, and yeah. So, actually guys, yeah, all of these vacuums have suction too. And yeah, so I was like my video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, and yeah, so I gotta go plug in my phone. I haven't fully charged in like 2 days, so yeah. So yeah. Alright, see you in the next video, guys.